Hi, and welcome back to Whitetail Acres Farm. As much of the United States here is bearing down and getting ready for a big winter storm, over at our farm here in the southeastern Pennsylvania, we are doing a lot of prep work to make sure that the farm is ready and our animals are prepared to weather this storm. We're supposed to get probably around a foot at least of snow from what they're saying. So we have a lot of work to do to make sure we are all prepared and that the animals will stay safe and warm and ready to hunker down for as long as it takes here for this storm to pass us. Since the cattle are going to be spending a lot of their time inside, and they're going to be burning a lot of calories trying to stay warm, we wanted to make sure they had a protein tub in place. So we got that all set up for them, made sure their water was good and topped off and was ice free. And then while we still had a window of time here before the storm started, the bull that we rented from some friends of ours, we were able to have our friends come pick the bull up. We no longer need his services. It was great having him on our farm and being able to spend time, especially with the females. We're looking forward to getting some nice calves thanks to his services later this fall, so stay tuned for that. But time to say goodbye to him. And we do have a new bull that is a permanent bull on our property, so probably won't need this guy again, but it was really nice having him while he was here. He was a really good bull. So we have to now go back inside now that Mr. Bull is gone and finish taking care of all the animals inside the barn here. We have to make sure that we put lots of straw down, knowing that the bad weather is coming and that the cattle are going to be inside quite a bit. We want to make sure we put extra straw down in their pen for them. They're probably going to be inside a lot, probably going to be trying to stay out of the wind and the elements. The cattle are able to withstand the cold temperatures, and they really don't mind the snow at all. The wind does get to them, and not sure what the weather is going to be like here, but it sounds like it's going to be pretty bad, so we're going to make sure it's really comfortable and fluffy and warm for them, so when they need to come inside they can, and it'll just be more enjoyable and healthier for them. Coming over to look at the heifers, they wanted to see what was going on inside the barn, so they were out in the fields for a good part of the day, but they just decided to come in, see what we're doing. They're excited to also get some straw down in their pen soon and checking things out and hanging out with us here. They are so cute. It's been such an enjoyable experience having them. And of course, the barn cats are always around. This is Tom. Almost done here with our straw, and it is looking good. Like I said, we put extra bales down. Normally 3 bales is sufficient. We put 4 down, may end up putting a 5th down depending, but it's looking really good. I think the cattle are really going to enjoy being in here and getting out of the elements. So now that the pen is squared away, we are going to head back inside here, see how Ryan and Lexi are doing with putting down the straw inside the heifer's pen. And there are sweet girls. This one here is Buttercup. She is the friendliest and always the first to come over and say hi. It's the first significant snowstorm for these young heifers. They're spring calves, so have not experienced too much of the snow yet, other than the little bit that we've gotten so far this season. So it'll be interesting to see how they do. I'm sure they're going to be just fine though, because cattle are very resilient and can handle the cold temperatures and the snow just fine. But we want to make sure that this pen of theirs gets extra attention as well. Coming back outside here, it looks like the rest of the herd went out to the hay ring. We just put this bale out for them not long ago, and they've really been hitting it hard. I'm glad to see them out here though, eating a lot and getting their bellies full, because that will do really well for them as they're trying to weather this storm. And as we're rounding out our day here, we are checking on the birds, making sure they have everything they need. Waters are topped off, they have plenty of food, and putting a little bit more bedding down for them so that way they have everything they need and there's less that we need to do once the storm starts. We don't want to have to come outside any more than we have to into the snow, so making sure that they have everything they need helps all of us out in the long run. So they are all squared away. Alright, it's next day now, and I am coming outside to go check on everything and check on the animals and check on Ryan. He's been outside for quite a while now with taking care of the plowing and other maintenance, just trying to stay on top of this storm as it's barreling down on us. We've already gotten several inches of snow, and it's only mid-morning, so I don't know what to expect here. They're still saying that we may be getting somewhere around a foot. We will have to see. But Ryan is doing a really great job with keeping up with the plowing, trying to keep, all of our driveways cleared so that way if we have to go back and forth to take care of the animals or do anything, we are able to do so. We just don't want this snow to sneak up on us, and with it the way it's coming down and the way it's just piling up, we really just want to stay on top of it the best we can. Making it over to the livestock barn here. Looking around, I'm not seeing the cattle, so I'm guessing they decided to go inside. So let's go head over there, take a look inside the barn, and check on everybody in there and just see where the cattle went to. And as expected, the cattle have all come inside to lay down. I guess they've been outside for a while. You can see all the snow that's piled up on them. I love how the snow just piles up on them. It looks so cool. And like I said, it doesn't bother them at all. And cattle have such thick hide and are so well insulated that the snow just doesn't melt on them. It just piles up on them and clings to them, and it really doesn't bother them at all. It's like they're wearing a constant really warm coat. So this snow is not fazing them, but the wind is picking up outside with this snow falling, so I don't blame them for coming inside. And I'm really glad we got all of the extra straw put down last night, because it's really serving its purpose here and giving them a nice comfortable area to lay down on and just chew all of the hay and relax and weather the storm that we're in. We'll let these guys just hang out and relax now, and we'll go over and see how the heifers are doing. I saw them coming inside a little while ago, so I know they're in their pen. And there's Rocky coming over to say hi. Rocky's our barn cat. He's the elder cat So he's usually hanging around the barn and just relaxing as well. And here are our girls. You can see the snow still coming down out there, and the girls decided to come inside and just relax in their fluffy pen as well and try to get out of the snow and wind for a bit. They have nice snowy backs too, which is just so much fun. I just love seeing that. This here is Cinnamon. She was always very, very shy, but she's starting to come around, and the fact that she's letting me pet her and just play with her and be so close to her is a huge improvement from where she was when we first got her. And then next to her here is Buttercup, who we've showed quite a bit now because she is just the absolute friendliest. But I love that all of the other cattle are really starting to get comfortable and enjoy us being in the pen and interacting with them. I love just being with the animals and being with the cattle in particular. They are so sweet and it's so much fun. So really happy to see that they are doing well and that they came in from the snow for a little bit, and we're gonna head back over and see what is going on with Ryan and his plowing, and then maybe head back inside and try to warm up ourselves for a bit. Making our way back to the house here, I see Ryan is just finishing up with plowing the driveway once more. It's amazing how quickly the snow is just coming down and accumulating. I think this might be his third time already trying to plow and keep up with everything today, and we still have a long way to go with the snow and then possibly some sleet later. I don't think the snow is supposed to stop until around midnight or so, and looking at the way it appears outside, I want to say there's somewhere around 7 inches already that we've gotten, and it's not even lunch yet, so we still have quite a ways. It's going to be really interesting to see how much we end up getting. I think the last significant snowstorm was back in 2016 here for us. It does look really beautiful out. I love seeing the snow and just seeing how calm and just beautiful the property is. It's just magical. But I think we're gonna stay inside now for a bit and just try to warm up, knowing that we're gonna have to go out and just check on everybody again later today as the storm continues to progress. And I really hope everybody out there across the country here is staying safe and warm, especially safe. I know there's a lot of states that are getting weather this weekend that aren't used to it, and it's a really big deal for them. So I hope everybody is really just trying to enjoy this winter weather and just staying inside with their families. It's really the best thing to do. So we're gonna just light the fire here, enjoy watching the storm from inside for a bit, and then we'll keep you posted on what's going on here on our farm and in our area, and how we're doing with this storm and what it ends up amounting to. So that's it for now, but we appreciate you being with us, and again, stay inside, stay warm, and we will see you on the next one.